Welcome, today we're going to learn how to fold the Modular Origami Spinning Toy by Robert E. Neale. Tutorial by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. This Modular Origami Spinning Toy is really easy to fold. The individual modules of this model is simply the water bomb base, and I'm pretty sure even if you just started origami, that you would have folded this water bomb base before. However, even with my experience, I have never thought of assembling the water bomb bases like this before in order to form this spinning toy. With that said, even with a lot of experience, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy this piece. So, let's begin the tutorial. You'll need to fold 6 water bomb bases for this model. In this section of the video, we're going to learn how to put these 6 water bomb bases together to form the origami spinning toy. Once again, if you haven't yet, remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. If you've got a few minutes to spare, please click on the video that's going to pop up on the screen. It's another fantastic model. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering something new every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.